right, cool. So thank you, Deandra, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So Deandra described herself for me. One of the things that she said was some of the events surrounding her birth was that everyone in her family paid a lot of close attention to her mom when she was pregnant with her. Gave her like a lot of attention, a lot of love, a lot of support, whatever she wanted while she was pregnant, right? So her entire extended family showed her mom a whole lot of love, and her parents definitely planned to have her, and they made a lot of preparations for her, right? So I thought up of the perfect Igbo name for her. Obianuju. Come on, say that with me. Obianuju. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So, Obianuju. Obia, well, like bia means to come, right? So obia means like the coming or the arrival, right? And nuju is kind of like a